Hi everyone, Neil here from ECS Coffee, and welcome to the unboxing of the new Philips 3400 coffee machine. So this is the most up-to-date version of the 3300 in 2024. It is not quite on the market yet in March, but it will be coming out very, very soon. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing and show you a couple of the differences in this. So the actual model on this is the Philips 3347/90 for those looking around the world to see if you wanna match it up to that one. We will show you what's in the box, and there will be a full review done by Rebecca, which you'll be able to click down below to find out about all of the amazing features of the new 3300 machine. All right, so let's see what we get. And for those of you trying to repack one of these, this is how it looks. Just so you know, this is how it looks. Cord is on the top. I always have trouble repacking these, and so these videos are great for that sort of thing. So it looks like we're just gonna take this outer shell off, and we're gonna put our little box here for starters. And it looks like we've got our cord running through our corrugated top. Got another piece of corrugate inside. And then we've got, for those looking, we have the covers there. Okay, so I'm going to just reach in to the front and side here and just lift this straight out if I can. Oh no, wait, I don't have to do that. They've got little handles underneath. So you've got your handles, you've got your cover, and let's get this guy out of here without dropping it fully onto our counter. Okay, box is now empty for those interested. There we go. Okay, let's see what we got. The box in the front sits here, looks like that. And we've got our drip, no, not our drip tray. We have our bean hopper cover. We're sitting in there like that. And we're sitting on some corrugate again. Lift that off. Right there. Now for the big reveal. Let's see what we got. All right. I'll get rid of this plastic as well. Off we go. So we'll put this together nice and easy. We have our bean cover, which looks like it's tinted to help the coffee stay fresh because it doesn't like light. Has a rubber gasket, which we like, which is beneficial for grinders because quite often there's a bit of rattling, and the rattling can make them noisy. So it's nice, it has a nice rubber seal. Not all machines have that, so I do like that. Start with the first box. Let's see what we got in here. Looks like drip tray and book. So, I guess I could have opened it like that. That would have been the smart thing to do. I'll throw that over there. All right. Drip tray, blue cover, we'll peel off the top a little bit later. Blue protective coating, it's gonna go right on there. So it's not blue, it's just a blue sticker. We have some grease and a scoop. So our grease is for, I'll rip open the package, and a water testing kit. So we have some grease for your brewer, grease for Seiko, Philips, and Gaggia espresso machines right there. We have our scoop for ground coffee. We have our water testing strip, and we have our instructional instructions in probably multiple languages. It's awesome. So we'll put these over here for now. Let's see if I can open this guy. Nice and easy. Apparently I'm struggling with boxes today. So it comes out at the side, folds down. Righty-roo. Inside here we have information about our AquaClean filter, the actual AquaClean filter, and we have our Latte Go cup, which goes on the front of the machine for all your milk beverages. Great. Now, I have not actually turned this machine on. This is the first one in Canada right now, so don't know a lot about it. Again, Rebecca's gonna do a full review. But what I do know is that the 3300, they have had some upgrades to it. It is a quieter, supposed to be 50% quieter on the grinder. We'll see if that is true. I hope so. I hope it is. This is just going to hook on here for when you want to have your milk beverages, and the milk comes out here. We have colored icons as well. It looks like we have 6 beverages: espresso, coffee, iced coffee, cappuccino, latte macchiato, hot water, and you've got some strength and sizes as well. It looks like including your milk foam as well. So pretty solid looking machine. It looks a little nicer with trim. It looks like an upgrade to the chrome trim and the chrome here and the titanium back. I think that's new as well. But the big feature on this is going to be, again, it's quieter. It's supposedly going to be a quieter machine, upgraded trim, and these color icons that weren't there before. So Jack just pointed out to me, I put the Latte Go cup on without taking off this little piece of plastic at the bottom. So it was sitting a little bit crooked, but now we're back in place. I'm gonna pop that back on there, and now we're straight. Yeah, stay tuned for the review that's coming up on this, but this is just our unboxing. We have these in all of our retail locations as well. You can find them online at ecscoffee.com. We look forward to seeing you on our next video. If you liked what you saw, give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe, and we'll bring you more great content from the folks here at ECS Coffee.